In a small town, a broken bridge stood as a daily reminder of everyone's complaints and nobody's action. Ayla wondered why everyone kept waiting for someone else to fix it. One day, an emergency showed how dangerous the ignored bridge had become. Instead of waiting, Ayla decided to lead. She and her friends made a plan. Their effort inspired the whole town. Soon everyone was helping. In a short time, the bridge was rebuilt, stronger than ever. Moral: real change doesn't start with a crowd, it starts with one person who's brave enough to take the first step. When you stop waiting for others and start leading, you inspire everyone around you to level up too.